Welcome to Amazing 7, and today we are discuss about 7 disadvantages of artificial intelligence AI. AI or artificial intelligence refers to the field of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can mimic human cognitive abilities. It involves developing algorithms and systems that can process and analyze vast amounts of data, learn from patterns and make decisions or predictions. While AI has the potential to bring numerous benefits and advancements to various sectors of society, there are certain potential misuses or negative consequences that can arise from its development and implementation. Here are 7 examples of how AI could be used in ways that have negative implications. Number 7. Autonomous weapons. AI-powered autonomous weapons systems have the potential to revolutionize warfare, but they also raise ethical concerns. These weapons could make lethal decisions without human intervention, leading to unintended casualties or even loss of control over their actions. Number 6. Surveillance and privacy invasion. AI technologies can be used to monitor and track individuals, eroding privacy rights. Governments or corporations could employ AI-powered surveillance systems to collect and analyze vast amounts of personal data, potentially leading to abuse and infringement of civil liberties. Number 5. Job displacement. AI and automation have the potential to automate many tasks and jobs traditionally performed by humans. While this can increase efficiency and productivity, it also raises concerns about mass unemployment and the need for retaining and jobs transition. Number 4. Discrimination and bias. AI algorithms are only as unbiased as the data they are trained on. If the training data contains biases or reflect societal prejudices, AI systems can perpetuate or even amplify these biases when making decisions in areas such as hiring, lending, or criminal justice, leading to unfair outcomes. Number 3. Deepfakes and misinformation. AI-powered technologies can be used to create highly realistic fake images, videos, or audio, known as deepfakes. This has the potential to deceive and manipulate people, leading to the spread of misinformation, defamation, or even political manipulation. Number 2. Hacking and cybersecurity threats. AI can be used by cybercriminals to launch sophisticated attacks, bypass security measures, or accelerate the process of cracking passwords or encryption. This poses significant risks to individual organizations and even critical infrastructure. Number 1. Social manipulation and propaganda. AI algorithms can be used to analyze vast amounts of data and social media platforms and manipulate public opinion. This can be exploited by malicious actors to spread propaganda, create echo chambers, or sow discord in society. It is crucial to consider these potential negative uses of AI and actively work on developing regulations, ethical guidelines, and responsible practices to ensure AI technologies are used for the benefit of humanity and do not lead to harm or unintended consequences.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.